Hey people, so keeping by this whole thing of I've been making audio messages or video messages for people who've really made a difference in my life. So I just need to say, that when I was around, that's what I wrote this novel when I was around 20, and it finally got, you know, like a national audience at when I was 26, so it was like a long journey till there. So once the book was, this book was called When a Lawyer Falls in Love. But now, I mean, there was this, person we had, to promote a book, you always need a really capable person, so Farhan Kazi, there's this young man, I've not yet met him, but he took over the promotions of this book, and oh my god, it's like, honestly, when a book does well, the writer doesn't make too much. Everything goes to the publisher. I mean, the contract is such that 90% goes to the publisher, which is very, it's not fair, really. So that's why now I publish my books only through Amazon, where at least I'm happy. So, but Farhan Kazi, when he took up this work, it was like, I think 10,000 copies of this book got sold, and my publisher was happy gentleman, because solely due to the efforts of this one person, Farhan Kazi. So, yeah, मैंने आज तक, like, I've not met him, but when I meet him, I'll be like, yeah, dude, it's no wonder that apparently there are these series of awards. It's called the Karamveer Chakra, and Farhan Kazi, he's a writer himself, and he runs his own little cute little marketing agency, I think. So Farhan Kazi, he it's like you hit a six and it goes out of the, it's like it hit it out of the ballpark. It's called, it's, you make a six. So that's the kind of work I saw Farhan Kazi do. I mean, so people, if you all want your book to be, if you want a good marketing for any book that you write, Farhan Kazi, you can Google it, and he is the person to contact, because the the kid, I mean, for me, he's, of course, he must be whatever. Like, I was just very impressed that, no, since I was faculty at Triple IT, I have this habit of calling people kid and child, but this kid is, it, he's something else. Yeah, he pours his soul into any work, and then the result is just magic. So thank you, Farhan. This is, I think I was plain lucky to have, come upon your page on Facebook, and that's how, got you to do the marketing. But truly, going forward also in my life, if I'm able to afford you, I will want only, Farhan Kazi is the man for the job. So all you people out there who need someone to market your books, kindly contact him, because he's the best in the industry. So, and this is just, ever since the lockdown has happened, I'm very keen to thank people who truly made a difference in my life. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.